Hey guys, welcome to New Tech Up. My name is Ganesh. Today we're going to have a look at Samsung Galaxy earbuds. I already opened it, so you have a box, and you have USB-C. Yep, you have USB-C. You have all the buds, all the different earrings. You can change that into. I'll put it in the box, and you have the buds. It's quite light compared to Zebra or RHA. Bose is quite light. The case is very light, and you have USB-C charger. This sound by AKG. So there is very small earbuds, and let's give it a try. And this is supposed to hold 6 hours of battery. Let's see. And go to Galaxy wearables, and you connect to your buds. So at the moment I'm connected to 6 apps where I get different notifications. You have different control where touchpads, touch left and right. You can tap to have Google Assistant, or you can have noise, how much batteries. So this is how much battery each buds have, and you can change that into bass, soft, clear, extra bass. That's good. And you have notifications, so you can get notification from all, and email. If you receive an email, it will say who is it, where the email from, who is it from. And you have a touchpad where you can customize it. Ambient sound. The left is going to be volumes up. I don't use Google Assistant much, so you have fine buds. So let's take one of them out. Let's leave it here, and let's see, find the left. So you can hear the sound, so that's a good thing, but normally none of those have it. No, yeah, only Zebra have a GPS is able to track where you last used. So you have those. Let's give it a try. Not bad. So touchpads, yeah, I can hear. At the same time I can turn it off. They are quite very. Let's watch a video, see if there is any latency. There is no audio delays. There is no latency, so they are very quick. At the same time, they're very touch responsive. So that means the minute you touch, you get the response when you set your headphone into. Second thing is that they don't fall off your ears. I tried my best, but doesn't. So it is water resistant, so you can use it for gym. Use it for a week or two, then I'm gonna see how I found it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.